Hey guys, it's Hannah here, and today I'm so excited because I will be unboxing the, July Simply Gilded box. I believe this is free range, as you can see here. And man, this box, I have to tell you, I might get emotional. I might get emotional unboxing this one. Because, well, I remember I almost got emotional when I saw the reveal of this one on Irene's stories, or when she did the live on the Simply Gilded box Instagram. And just because, I think for Irene this is inspired by like living the van life, travels, and the range here is also kind of double meaning because it's a bit inspired by like mountain range, and you kind of do see a little mountain illustration here, and it's such a beautiful box. Oh, I love this full heart fresh start. So the summer of 2019, before anybody knew that would be the last summer for a while where you could travel, I luckily was actually on the biggest travel of my life. We went road tripping through the Rockies in the United States, and I got to experience and see so many just amazingly beautiful places, lots of national parks, and even if it wasn't a national park, the beauty in like Colorado, Wyoming, Montana is just amazing. Oh, and Utah and Arizona, I cannot forget. Seeing Grand Canyon and lots of other, beautiful places, and the Rockies, of course. Greatest time of my life, or at least one of greatest travels of my life for sure. And this box just really captures that so well. Even though it's not necessarily inspired by specifically these places, a lot of the things in here remind me so much of that. So when Irene revealed it, I got kind of emotional because I miss it so much, and I have no idea when I'll be able to go back. I really hope one day in my life I can see all those beautiful places again, but it brings so much gratitude to my heart to have seen it at least once, and before COVID, so that's amazing. But that's a little disclaimer warning. I might get emotional actually walking through these in person, but I've been so anxiously waiting to get this box in my hand to be able to see it. So now, with that said, let's get into it. Alrighty, so this one is kind of a transitional box between summer and fall when it comes to the colors, and I love that it's gold, which is my jam, as you know. And it's quite a big, like the box itself is actually quite big, and that is because there's something really big inside. Maybe I'll just take that first and get it out of the way. Ooh, this is amazing. We get a Padfolio this month, which is actually perfect since it's kind of travel themed. This box has these beautiful tones of neutral colors, including this beautiful brown, and this is faux leather, believe it or not. This looks like a beautiful worn leather, but it's faux leather. We have this beautiful heart snap, and ooh, they protected it. Oh, beautiful inside. Look at this beautiful print. It's this kind of deep, like sea glass color. I'm not really sure what to call it. It's not mint. It's deeper, darker than that. And we have a pen loop, which is perfect. Oh, and we have a D-ring, which you can put a little charm on if you want. Opening it up. Here we go. Oh, I don't know what that was. Either way. Here's the beautiful Padfolio. It's just beautiful. So, I don't know, it's like you could fit like A5 size stuff in here, I think. So you have a beautiful, just the beautiful foiled lining. It's just, I'm gonna say beautiful so many times in this video, I'm sorry. But you have, a folder kind of pocket here. You have this pocket with a see-through little window in the shape of a heart, which is so Irene, so cute. And here's where you're gonna put the notepad that you can put in here. Or, you could actually put any notepad. This is about the size of an A5. I think it's a little skinnier and maybe it's like half letter size. I'm not really sure. but you put it here. So this is Erin Condren sized boxes, and the stickers in the kit also fit here. And we did receive one of these, I think it was June box 2020 with the Aloha box. I haven't really found a practical use where I needed something like this, but we'll see. It's beautiful and I want to find a way to use it. But this is the idea that you put this here so you can, I don't know, like pre-plan your week, or you could use it as a weekly plan. You could use it as a meal planner. You could use it for memory keeping. You could use it really however you want, but it's beautifully foiled in gold. This is a beautiful item and I really want to find a use for it. This brown also is so classic and it really does feel like something you could, I mean, it looks like a purse. You could carry this around with you. Gorgeous. Alright, next thing here. Let's see. Ooh, we have the menu card, which I'm not gonna take too much of a look at because I want it to be a surprise. But I will take a look at what's next. Ooh, yeah, stickers. Alrighty, so, oh, these are beautiful. So, we have the 2 standard big sheets. Oh, look at this. We have the day covers here. Oh, I love this one. It says freedom. And we have that mountain range kind of illustration. I love it. So, when we did go road tripping through the Rockies, we didn't go in a van, but we went in a truck camper. So, a little bit kind of like this. Not exactly, but a little bit. And yeah, also this is kind of boho vibes, has like I think it's a ukulele? Let's see, let your heart guide you. Oh, that is so cute. So I really want to use this stuff in some sort of memory book of pictures from that trip because the colors fit so well, especially from the trips we went like through Arizona and Utah, like Grand Canyon, Arches National Park, Bryce. Because, you know, it's like desert. So lots of browns, lots of beige colors and nudes. So all these would fit so well to include. And I really want to make some sort of memory album. But this is so cute. This one says memories. I love the camera. And this one says wild. This is also beautiful. I wish there were more full boxes. I don't know why. I usually don't say that because usually I never have use for all of them in my personal planner. But now they're so beautiful. I really wish there were more. Either way, we have this small sheet, the icons, the heart-shaped icons with this beautiful pattern. And we have the, oh, this is like a mauve pink color. We have the date and some more icons. Love it. And we have the half sheet, the mini sheet with the 5 half boxes, which I love that there's 5. And an extra full box, yay! And some checklists and deco. Oh, such dainty tiny deco. You see that? So tiny. Love this all so much. And can't forget the seals. Here they are. Beautiful bow seals. And I just love the gold so much. Oh, I just love it. This box is one of my favorites ever. Maybe not necessarily my colors most of the time, but because it reminds me so much of that trip, I love this box so much. I love Irene for bringing back those nostalgia vibes from a beautiful, beautiful memories of mine. So I'm so thankful. Alrighty, what's next? Ooh, this must be the mystery item. I think. That's amazing! So, we have a, well, you could use it as a dashboard, of course. And, yeah, pencil board, I think you call it. And I think you're supposed to use this one in here. For when you're writing, maybe, you can put it here. You use it underneath the page so that it doesn't bleed through onto the next paper. Or, you know, if you're heavy-handed and you press really hard when you write, this is good because that way you protect the next page so that it's pretty and ready to use for the next time. So I think this is why we get it. I love this illustration so much. This is really cute too, but I love this watercolor style with the mountain and the sky. I mean, I saw evenings that looked just like this. Oh my gosh, brings back so many memories. So many memories. All right. So, next up, we have the notebook. Here we go. This is it. Once again, has that beautiful brown color. It's such a soft, warm brown. And this one has a compass with a little heart in the middle. That's so cute. And on the back, it's just blank like so. And, ooh, this is actually not dot grid. Look, it has a little bow and it's lined. That's really beautiful. I love it. This is great actually, especially if I do some sort of memory album. I could use this somehow. Okay, we'll see what I do. And what else? Ooh! Right! This is such a beautiful addition. This is so fun. Okay, so this is a little charm that is supposed to go with a beautiful padfolio, and we have beautiful backing too. Look at those beautiful leaves. So this is a beautiful kind of bow charm, and ooh, I don't know, this one, it has, ooh, maybe you can put something on there if you want to. You can add on a different type of charm, but it's in that same faux leather fabric. You can see it's fabric. And I think you're supposed to put it on here. You can if you want to have a little charm hanging there. Or you could use it for anything. You could use it as a bag charm, use it on a planner. So cute. And, ooh, let's see. Whoa! Whoa! There's a freebie. I'm gonna take that last. I'm not really sure what that is, but okay. So here we have the smaller goodies in the beautiful bag. Yes, we have the pen, which I adore this month. It has that beautiful same colors as the box, but in a pen form, so you can tell I love it. Starts with actually some sort of grayish blue tone, fading into a soft pink, fading into what kind of becomes a little bit orange before it fades into a little bit of yellow, really soft yellow. Really warm, just warm tone, which I love. And it has a beautiful illustration here. Oh, it's like 2 illustrations. Cool. So we have a beautiful flower, kind of flower branch. And then we have a little bow with another flower. That's so cute. These pens are always my favorite, and I'm looking forward to using this one. It's such a beautiful design. I love it with the gold so much. So yes, we have, all right, we get some die cuts. I love when she includes little die cuts. I wish they were a staple because they could be super useful and you can be really creative and use them for lots of things. I also love that it has beautiful backing with that beautiful illustration. Once again, I adore it so much. So we get 3 little die cuts. So we have like a little van. Ours was not this cute and pretty, but still it's adorable. We have a little guitar, which I don't know how to play, or ukulele, I'm not sure, maybe it's a guitar. And we have a camera, which is super cute. And then we have this beautiful card. I love this one. I love that this one has that beautiful pattern, which I adore, and that it has this centerpiece of a compass. Just so beautiful, so simple, but so pretty. I love cards like this, and this is just, I just love it. I just love it. Alrighty, so getting into the washi, I'm gonna try to, so this is the add-on, I'll take that soon. We have this beautiful bow washi in gold, and that beautiful colorway that looks like the sky that we've seen on here. It kind of has those vibes. Love it. And we have, oh, whoopsie daisy. We have more of that here. Oh, this is actually sparkly washi. It's kind of hard to tell, but it sparkles and it has that simple line in that beautiful colorway. And I love this washi. This is like scenery she's painted of that beautiful sky. And there's like eagles flying, and there's a fields of flowers and forests and mountains. And this is so reminiscent of what I've seen. And this is a beautiful, oh, that's like that floral illustration that we saw earlier. So there's like these deeper tones too in this box. That's interesting. Such beautiful combinations. Yes! Okay, so we have the perforated washi. I love her functional washis like this, guys. You know that. So we have the moon, the crescent moon. This is like a header style in gold, which I love. So functional, so functional. And we get days of the week, day covers, perforated in washi form, which I love these so much. So functional, and I can use it over and over, not just for this spread, but for any spread where these colors work, which I adore. So this stack is amazing. And the add-on here has these beautiful tiny ones. We have a crescent moon. I think there's some rose gold incorporated too. So we have the crescent moon. We have the mini version of the bows. A half and half with the brown and gold. And this super cute. I think this is a new design with kind of looks like a lotus flower and some other florals. Once again, it's a little bit boho chic themed, this box. Alrighty, so I think that's everything. Yes, that's everything in here. But there was this other little goodie. Oh, you know what this is? I think I know what this is now. Because there was some sort of issue for non-US subscribers. They've been adding the VAT for EU customers, and I'm in Sweden, so I'm an EU customer, and there was an issue with the charge, and because of that hassle, it wasn't really that much of a hassle, at least not for me, but to compensate that issue, they gave a little freebie. I thought it was going to be a sticker sheet or something, but this is like a travel roll of washi. That's so pretty. This is beautiful. I'm sure this is available in the shop. Thank you so much. That's so generous. Alrighty, guys. So this was the July free range Simply Gilded box. I mean, based just because of the nostalgia it gives me and the super amazing good vibes thanks to the memories I've had seeing all the free ranges throughout the beautiful land of America. This might be my favorite box just because of the emotional value this gives me. But I mean, these soft, muted, warm colors I adore so much. It feels just cozy, and I just want to get, cuddle up, get crafty, do some scrapping, and I really just hope I'll have the time to make my dreams come true with this. But I love it, and I'm so glad to have it in my hands finally to enjoy and look at and love and adore. Thank you so much, Irene, for creating this, for sharing your beautiful gifts with the world of your creativity and the design and illustrations and just great eye for detail. So thank you so much, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope all my nostalgia and memory rambles weren't annoying. I just can't help myself. This is such a good vibes box for me. So yeah, but thank you so much, and I hope to see you next time. Yeah, bye for now.